welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys a DIY milk peel off mask. So what you will need is a bowl, some almond milk. You don't really have to use almond milk, you can use regular milk, gelatin. You will need some honey, some tea tree oil. You will need a tablespoon. I just couldn't find my tablespoon, so I used a spoon. And you also need a half tablespoon. Okay, so now what you want to do is take 2 tablespoons of milk and put it into that glass bowl and then microwave that milk for 30 seconds. Okay, so now what you want to do is take 1 pack of gelatin and put that into the milk, and you make sure you mix the gelatin and the milk well. Okay, so now what you want to do is take a half tablespoon of honey and mix that really well, and then you want to also put 4 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to take a warm cloth and just put that on your face to open up your pores. So once you put the mask on, it could really get into your pores. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to take your mix that you made and you just want to use a makeup brush, whatever brush you have, and just apply that all over your face. Make sure you don't get it on your hair or your eyebrows. It will rip out your eyebrows, so make sure you don't get it around your hairline or your eyebrows. Okay, so after 30 minutes, your mask should be completely dry. So now what I'm doing, I'm just taking off my mask, and when I tell you this stuff hurt, it was pulling out every single hair on my face. So you guys will see what pain I went through, okay? This crap hurts. Okay. Do y'all hear that? Listen. don't know if you can like see. Oh my god, my face feels so naked. I don't think you can see it, but like it has like little hairs on it. But yeah, my face is smooth though. You could try this, but your face will, well, not your face, the peel off hurts, okay? The peel off part hurts. But if you guys, oh my god, my face, I feel like a brand new person. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Linen gang and get me to 10K subscribers, because I'm gonna do a big I'm gonna do a big giveaway when I reach 10K subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time.